Hello everybody, Laura here. So it has been a long time since I have uploaded a video to YouTube, especially an edited video. And so I'm really excited to hopefully get back into the swing of things. This video is about some DIY labels that I created. I was just playing around one day and decided to start recording. I didn't even know if I was going to get it edited, but I have been trying out some video editing software, and this one I think it's called Movavi, in which I apologize. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a watermark across my video the entire duration of the video, but it is pretty easy to use and it seems fairly affordable, so I think that I will be going ahead and purchase this so that I can continue editing and get back to uploading onto YouTube, because I've definitely missed it. It has been over a year since I have been active on YouTube, and so yeah, and to all of you guys who are still subscribed to me, and I really appreciate you guys still staying subscribed to me, and I hope that you are looking forward to more videos from me. And let me know in the comments if you are. I mean, I know that not everybody watches my videos, but yeah, let me know. And so to get to the video a little bit, I know that you can go online and find some printable labels, but I have several stamp sets and just decided to make some of my own. I like to use labels with my scrapbooking, art journaling, any kind of memory keeping. They're just good for adding the date, a little bit of journaling, stamping sentiments on them to add them to my projects. So yeah, I just wanted to make a few of them. I've done some of them in black and my Distress Oxide inks. I've embossed them with black and with gold. And I've created several just different shapes, sizes, and I'm stamping them out. I have a very large stack of index cards, but they're like, I don't know, 4x6 or even bigger than that, maybe 5x7 sized index cards, and I'm just stamping on the back of those just to kind of use them up. And I plan to keep these right near my desk so that I can get to them very easily. Earlier in the video, you might have noticed I have a clear stamp sheet where I've taken all of the labels and stuck them to that one sheet so that they're all together. So in the future, ease of access, I can just reach over, grab the one that I'm wanting if I don't have the right color or I've used all the ones that I wanted. That way I can find it just really easily and I don't have to go through my whole stamp collection to find it again. And that way they'll be right there. Here in a second I'll show you where I stamped my Distress Oxide, but I didn't let it dry, so it smudged a little bit. I set that stamp set on top of it, I think, and it smudged it, but it'll be okay. Yeah, I can just stamp out some more. It'll be okay. Here I'm showing you, I have these two stamp sets. I guess I've ordered doubles at some point, and they look a lot alike. They say a lot of the same sentiments, but one of them is larger than the other one. So I just decided to stamp out a little bit from each one, as well as these the ones that's kind of like a tab that I can stick on the top of my pages or whatever, just add it as an embellishment. So I apologize for being a little rusty on doing a voiceover. I've tried to record this several times and keep finding flaws with myself. So I'm just going to go with it. So if it's not the best voiceover you've ever heard, I apologize, as well as that I'm sick. Husband got me sick, so my voice is a little crazy. I really like these Distress Oxide inks. The colors that I stamped out were just some of my favorite colors that I have out of these inks. And I like the I just like the way they look. They have almost like this pastel, and of course the chalky look to them. But yeah, I'm going to keep all of them just right near my desk. Hopefully I will get a lot of use out of these. I know that I watch Inky Quill Adele here on YouTube, and I see her using labels in her project life and on her scrapbook pages and all those things. And I have some labels, but they never really were the colors that I wanted, or they definitely weren't black. They would be some crazy color that I didn't want. So I figure I'm going to create my own, and that way I'll just cut it out and use it. So I hope that from this video you gain a little bit of inspiration to maybe create your own. Just look through all your stamp sets and see what you have so that you can make something. And this goes for other things too, not just labels. If there's something else that you like to use, maybe even alphabet or certain shapes or something that you would like to use often, just so that you have them at the ready for you to just grab. Excuse me. Just make it easier on ourselves, just so that they're right there. This stamp, I really liked this one. It has like a doodly border around the edge of it, or like a scalloped doodly scallop around it. And I purchased this from a D-stash off of YouTube. I think this was one of the last videos that I did upload, was showing some of the things that I had purchased, and this was one of the stamp sets. So the video is almost over, so I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will leave me a comment and let me know that, you know, if you're still interested, and maybe tell me what kind of videos you would be interested in seeing. I'm really excited to just get back to it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.